Hi guys, so today we will be learning how to install an EA or Expert Advisor into your MetaTrader 4 or MT4. So this is the EA I will be installing today. So first, let's open your MT4 and we'll click File and open Data folder. And we can close the MT4 and click this MQL5, click this Experts, and we drag our EA or copy and paste into this experts folder. And next, we can close this window and we can open our MetaTrader 4 again and we go to Navigator, okay, and we refresh. And after we refresh, we can see our EA will be here and we can drag the EA or double click the EA, okay, and after you have configured your settings, you can press OK and we can press enable auto trading. So you can see a smiley face on the right side and that's it. Your EA is running. Congratulations.